What is up everyone? Welcome back to our channel. This tutorial provides a step-by-step guide to fix high ping. Today I'm going to show you this using my laptop since my phone does not want me to record while using a browser. So I will show it to you through my laptop. Following the steps can significantly decrease your ping, enhance your gaming experience, and minimize disruptions while playing. Actually, this tutorial is the simplest and best way to fix network lag and high ping in Roblox. This simple way to fix network lag and high ping in Roblox requires you an Ethernet cable because it will go directly to your computer or laptop. If your laptop does not have a female Ethernet cable port, you need a USB Type-C Ethernet adapter so that you can still connect an Ethernet cable using a USB Type-C Ethernet adapter. By following the steps, you can effectively reduce high ping issues in Roblox, leading to a smoother gaming experience. Remember to regularly check your network settings and connection for optimal performance. If problems persist, consider contacting your internet service provider for further assistance. Because sometimes it's about the internet or your internet service provider. If we've been helpful, kindly give us a thumbs up. And don't forget to hit the subscribe and bell button for more contents. For any questions and suggestions, comment down below.